What's good, YouTube? It's Teflon Poppy, aka the Ghost with the Most. Today I got the Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash and Wax with the color brightening technology here for you today. I'm gonna do a little review because I'm cleaning up the Scatpack today. Was out here doing a little yard work. Just wet it. About to add the soap and then wash it. And keep y'all updated. Alright, YouTube, so I'm all done now. Got that paint looking like glass, and yeah, man, this stuff works really good just to be some $10 car wash at Walmart, man. I've been following the Chemical Guys on YouTube for a long time. It's just that I hate ordering shit off of Amazon, man. I like to physically touch shit and be able to see it. So, like, now that it's in Walmart, you know, it's only $10 compared to, you know, the other stuff that's around the same price. You know, my paint look like glass, and even when you feel your paint, you know, you shouldn't hear nothing. It shouldn't sound rough. It shouldn't feel rough. It should be smooth, just like that. And the whole point of the Brightening technology is just to get that paint to look like glass. Like, you see how everything is reflecting off of it? Like, that's the whole point. Even got the matte black looking all even and stuff. A lot of stuff that I use ever since I got this wrap never has the matte black looking even. Like, sometimes the matte on here, one side will look all clean, the other side will look greasy, and it got the whole car looking even, man. So if you was thinking about going to buy that Chemical Guys wash in Walmart, like, I give it a thumbs up. I really recommend it. I even got some of the detailer for the inside of the car, and it works on, you know, leather, plastic, and glass, and it smells really good too. So it's easier for me to be able to use something I can use on everything, as opposed to, you know, you got one seat cleaner, then you got one glass cleaner, then you got, you know, one plastic leather cleaner, you know what I mean? So it's too much. It's easier to have everything in one, and Chemical Guys make some really good stuff. So I really recommend that for anybody who has a car that they want to take care of, you know. I mean, some people don't care. Like my dad, he washes his cars with dishwashing liquid. I mean, that can't be any good for the paint, but ain't gonna point no elbows, make him feel bad about it. But I definitely recommend this Chemical Guys wash and wax. So I'll leave a link in the description for you guys who are interested. I mean, just look at the reflection on that jump. Trying to get it. Sun went down a little bit. Trying to get it before it rained. Looked like it's about to rain. I wish I'd have looked at the weather, but it didn't. So yeah, just a quick little video for y'all. So hit that like button, subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification button. So anytime I drop anything, you'll be the first one to know. Comment and let me know what else you guys want to see. And I went to this crazy car meet like last Sunday, man. So go to my page and look at my last videos, man. There was a lot of wild stuff going on, and I'm gonna be going to a lot more car meets like that. So like, comment, subscribe. We out here.